Welcome back, friends. Now we see one more database scenario. Let me share my screen. So in this scenario, there is a input JSON. It contains the supplier information and the product information. But the expected output is the only the product information, right? And the duplicates the product information. Like if you see the product 101 laptop and 101 laptop, the same product will be supplied by multiple suppliers. The supplier 1 is supplying the same product, and supplier 4 also supplying the same product. Whereas the P103 is a phone. The phone is supplied by the supplier 3 and the supplier 5. So the expected output is we need the unique product information, like the product 101 laptop, 102 tablet, and 103 phone. We don't need a supplier information. We need only the product information, unique product information, right? We can avoid the suppliers. So let me run the database script for that. Just I'm checking, is my payload is printing good or not? Any issue the payload? No, the payload is good. Now, first thing is I want only the value part. If you see the supplier 1 is a key and the product information on the value side. So I want only the value part. To retrieve the only value or only key, the suitable operator is the pluck operator. So I'm applying the pluck on the payload pluck. As I want only value, so I'm giving a value as my in the expression. Just if you put value, I got all the product information. Then only challenge is it is quite nested. I don't want to do nested one, right? I want to some flatten one. For that, the exact operator is a flatten operator. Flatten. I'm applying the flatten over here. The flatten. 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 Sorry, I'm applying the end. It's starting. Flatten. Now, this output contains the duplicates, right? I want to avoid the duplicates, though. Then the operator is the distinctBy operator. So applying distinctBy by item. So now I got the unique products. So this is the expected output. So thank you so much for watching. I will get back to you on more database scenarios. Thank you.